In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications for Snapchat stories. We will look at both all friends and specific friends, so follow along on your phone. First, open Snapchat. When the app loads, you should land on the camera screen with the shutter button at the bottom and icons around it. If Snapchat asks for camera access, you can allow it, but you only need the app open for these steps. Make sure you are signed in to the account whose notifications you want to change. Now tap your profile Bitmoji in the top left corner. The Bitmoji or profile circle sits above the camera view. After you tap it, you go to your profile screen, where you see your Snap code at the top, along with your name, username, and maybe your Snap score. Scroll a little to confirm you see sections for friends, stories, or public profiles below. From there, tap the settings icon. It looks like a small gear in the top right corner of your profile screen. When you tap it, Snapchat opens a long list of settings, organized into sections like My Account, Privacy Control, and Additional Services. If you ever need to adjust anything about how Snapchat behaves, that gear is where you start. Next up, tap Notifications. This option appears in the list, usually near other preference options. When you open Notifications, you will see different checkboxes or toggles for the types of alerts Snapchat can send, such as messages, mentions, and stories. This screen directly controls which push notifications reach your phone. Now turn off Stories from Friends, or the equivalent story notification option you see. On some phones it is a checkbox, on others a switch you slide off. Once you disable it, Snapchat stops sending push notifications when any friend posts a new story. You can still open Snapchat and view stories in the Stories tab, but your phone will no longer light up or buzz for new ones. To control this per friend instead, open Snapchat again so you are back on the main camera screen. If you just left the app open, you may already be there, with the camera view filling the screen. This time we will not use the settings menu, we will change the setting from the chat area. Now swipe right to the chat screen. The chat screen shows a list of your conversations, with friend names and Bitmoji on the left and icons on the right. You might see recent messages or streak icons here. This is also where Snapchat lets you adjust story alerts for each friend. After that, press and hold the friend's name. Keep your finger down until a panel pops up. A small menu will appear near the bottom or middle of the screen, showing options related to that friend, such as managing friendship details or notifications. Press and hold is different from just tapping, so if nothing appears, try again with a longer press. With that ready, tap Story Settings. A new pop-up will open, focused only on how their stories behave for you. Here you are not changing the friendship itself, only how you are notified when this person posts a story. Finally, turn story notifications off. The pop-up closes, and there is no extra save button. The change applies immediately. You can still go to the stories section later and watch anything they post, you just will not be alerted when they add a new story. You have now turned off Snapchat story notifications for all friends or just the ones you choose, so give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and maybe subscribe for more quick Snapchat tips.